matriplanting taguro eh.
Sige.
Pwede. Punta tayo, tay?
Oh, pwede man.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the N.A.I.M vlog, Nature Awareness and Impact Management.
Hi, I'm Paolo. And today, we're talking about something that affects us all, our planet.
But guys, have you ever stopped to think about where our trash goes? Or how fast our forests are disappearing?
This isn't just a future problem. It's happening right now. From pollution in our oceans to the climate crisis, the state of the environment is getting worse by the day.
But here's the good news. We can turn it around. And today, we're going to show you how, as a community, we can make a real change. Let's get started.
Hi, our planet is in crisis. Forests are being cut down and our oceans are polluted.
The oceans are choking on plastic, and carbon emissions are warming our planet faster than we can cope. This isn't just about the Earth, it's about our future. If we don't act now, the consequences will continue to intensify. But what if I told you that the power to change this is in our hands?
It may seem overwhelming, but it's closer to our home than you think.
Every day, I see it. Whether it's plastic waste in our parks or pollution in our rivers.
This is why N.A.I.M was created, to raise awareness about issues impacting nature and to take action.
I believe that together, we can change the course of the future for the better.
And that starts right here, right now.
Why is all of this happening? It boils down to how we live. Our choices, the food we consume, the energy we use, the waste we generate, all of this affect the environment.
The results? Rising temperature, more intense storms, and loss of biodiversity. Take a look at our local coastline.
We're not just losing beauty, we're losing entire ecosystems, and it's happening faster than we think.
But there's the good news. There's so much we can do. It starts with the small changes.
N.A.I.M is all about taking action. Whether it's cutting down on single-use plastics, conserving water, or supporting renewable energy, every small decision we make matters.
We have the power to shift the tide. We just need to act. So ask yourself, what can you do today? We at N.A.I.M are committed to making better choices every day, whether it's reducing waste, supporting local eco-friendly businesses, or standing up for policies that protect nature.
I promise to reduce my plastic use.
I will use public transportation more often.
I will advocate for stronger environmental policies within my community.
I would choose to walk for short distances whenever possible.
And that's the goal of N.A.I.M. Small actions that together create massive change. Join us. Make your commitment to nature. Let's protect the future we all share. Hi there. Thank you for watching and caring about our planet.
Now, it's your turn. What will you do to protect the environment?
Whether it's cutting down on plastic, planting a tree, or spreading the word, every action counts.
Share this video with your friends and family to ensure our voices are heard.
Together, we can make a difference. Don't forget to like, share, and comment with your own commitment.
We're N.A.I.M, and we're all about protecting nature and creating a better tomorrow.